Another day, another English lesson. Sentence structure. It's plus adverb plus adjective plus infinitive. In English, adverbs can help describe adjectives. They can tell us about intensity, frequency, or provide a comment on the adjective. This is very clear in the useful structure. It's plus adverb plus adjective plus infinitive. This pattern lets you talk about actions in general by giving your opinion about how those actions feel or seem. You can describe what the action is like. Types of adverbs. Degree adverbs, showing intensity. Very to, quite. Frequency adverbs, showing how often. Usually, often, rarely. Comment adverbs, giving opinion or attitude. Honestly, surprisingly, obviously. Examples of it's plus adverb plus adjective plus infinitive. It's very easy to learn English. It's too dangerous to walk alone at night. It's usually hard to find a parking spot here. It's often helpful to take notes during class. It's honestly difficult to explain the difference. It's surprisingly fun to work with new people. Now, watch and complete the sentence with the adverb, adjective, and verb in parentheses. They are not in the correct order. One. It's surprisingly quick to learn how to ride a bike. 2. It's quite easy to bake cookies with this recipe. 3. It's honestly exciting to see new animals at the zoo. 4. It's usually hard to wake up early on weekends. 5. It's too heavy to carry that backpack alone. 6. It's often fun to visit the park after school. 7. It's very hot to play soccer outside today. 8. It's rarely safe to swim when the water is cold. 9. It's obviously important to wear a helmet when you ride. Thanks for watching this worldwide ELT English language learning video. Don't forget to like, share, and ring the notification bell for more lessons.